Hello, teacher. My name is Miguel Medina Aguilera. I am a student, University Corporation of the Caribbean Seca. Today, I will present you the question. Talking about wish at imaginary situation. Wish. 1. And wish and caught flying by plane and North Africa. 2. And got line to know the Spanish at you to a planet. Question 3. I wish I Tencent City study. 5. Question. I wish I'd had my note kindergarten. 5. Question. I wish I had my own scarf. 6. Question. I wish going Mount Everest at crash the notch. Family wish. I wish I'm caught by lessons for my parents. I wish I'm caught. Tag my parentage and a true to Canada. And wish I'd had more money at helped the study of me nephews. And wish how a houses near the beach for my father. Thank you. Bye bye, teacher.